Forgive me. My mind was elsewhere.
What is it?
I'm sorry. I can't tell you.
Hi, I'm Ted Lister. I'm very pleased to be bringing to you the second volume of my Subtle Performance Workflow tutorial. In the first volume, we covered the preparation for a shot and the body animation and everything that entails. In this volume, we are going to be covering the face and how we marry those two things together to create a vibrant and alive performance. So come join me and I'll take you through my workflow and tips and tricks for animating the face in a realistic, subtle performance.